Hey guys, this video is a short overview on email list by using Wemail for your WordPress email marketing. So from your Wemail dashboard, go to Lists. Then click on Add New. Set the name of your list. Add a description if you need to, but this is optional. Then hit Save to finish. Now click on the list you just made. Click on Add Subscribers to create a new user from scratch. For this, we are speeding up this process. Hit Save when you are done. You can also add existing subscribers whom you have added before. Just type the name of all your existing subscribers and click on them to add these subscriber names to your list. Click on a subscriber's name if you want to add more information on a user's profile. For example, you can add numbers, add information on the subscriber's address, birthday, and so on. You can also delete the subscriber. In addition, you can add tags to your subscribers. Click on Manage Tag under Options. Then click on Add New. Now set your tag names and hit Save. If you click on a user, you will be able to assign the tag. We'll now show you how you can enable double opt-in. Double opt-in is when a user signs up for email marketing, then confirms the subscription through a separate email or landing page to officially be added to an email list. This process reduces the risk of spam. To enable double opt-in, go to Settings under Options of your email list. Now enable the option for double opt-in and hit Save. You can also integrate Mailchimp with your email list. Click on Configure of Mailchimp and you will now need to paste the API key. So go to your Mailchimp account and click on Account under your profile name. Click on API Keys under Extras. Scroll down and click on Create a Key. Now copy the key and paste it in the empty box and hit Next. Select your list and hit Next. Now set your fields and hit Activate and you are done. We have more videos on using and managing your email list for your WordPress email marketing, so be sure to check the links down below. If you ever need help, you can also refer to the Help section where you will find links to our videos, blogs, and documentation. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getwemail.io and subscribe to our channel.